My channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about Polarityte INC. Now what we have seen is a sharp bounce back in the current price action. Right now it may or may not be visible in front of you. So let's deep dive into it. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now if I zoom in this chart, what you can see here right now is the low which the stock has made. And let me tell you that these kind of stocks are very risky and volatile in nature. So do not just look at the price and it looks so cheap and that's why we are going to make a trade or take a trade out of it. So this must not be a reason to make any such trade. We are just discussing the trend, okay, and not about whether you can take a trade or not. That should be an individual decision. And from the recent low of 20 cents, it has actually jumped and closed above, here we are, 38 cents right? So these two levels are now going to be your reference point on the downside. So please do not go below 38 cents and more specifically below 20 cents, which is going to be the stop loss as far as the downside is concerned. Now what we can expect out of it is simply a trading bounce, nothing more, nothing less, which means there is a possibility of sharp bounce back, but this is just for the purpose of trading and not for anything else. Some people will think that it's going to sustain and something miraculous will happen. So this is not the case. This is not at all the case. So what do we have here? So because the stock is sustaining above 38 cents, and if it continues to do that, in which case the first target we're gonna have here is 82 cents. Now after 82 cents you will face a resistance at or in between 1.98 and 2.66. Only if the stock crossed 2.66 or 2.67, we have our next target at $4.5, and after that the big target or the next resistance which we have here will be or in between $8.5 and $10. So I think I have stretched this a lot. Okay, so I'm not saying that this is going towards $10. What I'm saying is all the possibilities, but all the levels right now from 82 cents to $2 to $4, any of these levels can work as a resistance as well. So please be very sure about the moves and what will probably happen afterwards, right? So you have to be very sure about the moves and what's going to happen thereafter. So again, there is a possibility of trading bounce back, but as I told you, this is simply a trading bounce back where the sustainability factor may or may not be available. So please take a note of it and do not go below the stop loss. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.